This film shows how to test airtightness of exhalation valves on particulate respirators required by the Japanese standard. When you inhale, the valve on the exhalation valve closes, and you breathe in clean air through the respirator filter. When you exhale, the valve opens and let the exhalation air out. The SIBATA exhalation valve tester simulates inhalation through a respirator face mask and tests if the valve closes airtight. The tester draws air at a specific flow rate. When the suction begins, the valve closes and the U-tube manometer shows immediate pressure decrease. When the pressure reaches certain point, the pump stops. After suction stops, the timer starts. With a properly working exhalation valve, it is supposed to take more than 15 seconds to go back to normal pressure. Let's test with exhalation valve tester. If you haven't used the device for a while, test the device for its airtightness. When you test the device airtightness, close the air inlet with the cap came with the device. Plug in and turn on the power. Press the standby switch on to turn on the pump, and adjust the flow rate to 1 liter per minute. Turning the adjusting knob to the right will lower the flow rate, and turning left increases the flow rate. The center of the ball float should align with the graduation mark. Then press start to start drawing air. The suction will stop when the water level reaches sensor C. The water level will stabilize in about 10 seconds. Then wait about 5 more minutes. If the water level doesn't reach 1,470 pascals, the timer will not start. If the water level stays stable, the device airtightness is secured. Now, let's test an exhalation valve. First, turn off the power. Install the exhalation valve holder with the test specimen fixed to it. Then turn on the power again and press standby. Make sure that the flow rate is 1 liter per minute and press start. The timer starts when the water level reaches sensor B. The timer measures in seconds how long it takes for the pressure to reach the atmospheric pressure. If it takes more than 15 seconds for the pressure to go back to the atmospheric level, the test specimen has passed the test. The timer is currently set so that the timer stops after counting 15 seconds. This setting can be changed by pressing the buttons under the display. Let's review the control buttons. Power switch. Standby switch. It turns the pump on and off. Start switch. It starts the test. The water level immediately reaches 2,000 pascals, and the pump stops. The timer starts counting. If you want to stop the test, you can press reset to put the device in standby mode and stop the timer. If you want to start the test again, press start. If you want to turn off the device, turn off the pump first, then turn off the power.